Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and you guys are watching Plan With Me for March 2021. So this is my planner for this year which I have been using by Saloni Srivastava, and this is a really good planner till now. And but few sections I use which I found useful, and few sections I just do it in my normal journal. Firstly, I will start with a monthly review wherein I will check, did I achieve all my goals this month? Did I make enough time for my self care? Am I satisfied with my habit tracker? What can I do better next month? So, these are the few questions which I will answer for myself. And for March 2021, I will just get ready with all the gratitude and reflections for the previous month. This is quite an important step for me as I want to see what was working and what is not, so that I can just tweak and tween the changes which I need to do. The next thing is I will just add the quote of the month, which this month is take small actions, and rather than prioritizing on perfection, just take actions and plan and execute. Execution is the most important thing. In the calendar, I jot down my YouTube schedules for particular month, whatever I want to do. And this month is also a Holi, so I will be traveling to my home, and my monthly goals are where I write, and at the end I just see what was my monthly goals and I reflect on how I can improve, what was achieved, what was not achieved, what was working. I also am very using this habit tracker for a while, and this is like life changing. I wrote few of the trackers which I need. Other than that, I don't use the expense tracker. I use it like on Excel in my laptop, and I will just, it's very important. Like for me, meal planning is really important. Otherwise my whole week is just messed up and I eat here and there. So I'm just sitting down for half an hour to schedule what should I eat, what should I not eat. So in this planner, I just jot down very small detail, like an overall detail of what I will have and what I will not. And in my journal, I actually write. It's my food journal and a normal journal which I use on a daily basis from like last months quite a few times, and that is very useful. It's just a 2-page journal which I use. I will just show you afterwards. So this planner, meal planner, I find it a little small for adding all the stuffs which I eat on a daily basis, like in a whole day. So I just write very small details, so that whenever I open up, I just see to what is the thing I need to work on, or what is the thing I need to prepare. Then these are the weekly planners, so I write my weekly goals today itself because the next week is starting on. This is my normal journal which I use on a daily basis. It's my food journal. So herein I write in detail of what breakfast it is, what is the mid breakfast, and everything around my mood, my sleep. I record everything over here. I also use a journal method which I learned from I Will Get Lean. It's really effective and good. It's very simple. I divide my page into 4 columns of short term, high priority learning, and gratitude, and long term goal. So it's very short, and I can write it within 5-10 minutes, or like if I'm not in a mood, then only 5 minutes it will take for me to write. It's very useful, and I would highly recommend you guys to follow this, so that it's very efficient and quite easy to record everything for your daily life and move forward. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.